Yo, another day, another adventure with your homeboy Jermaine, and getting this vlog started off, leaving Denmark right now. I'm actually going to Norway, going over to Oslo. I've had a blast here in Copenhagen. I'm not taking a plane or a bus. I'm actually taking a boat. You can probably tell by the title of this video. Yeah, I'm gonna walk over and get a ticket and go get on the big boat and get ready to go over to Oslo, Norway. This is gonna be a lot of fun, So yeah, let's get this video started. Well, I guess I could have rented one of those bikes and rode it here, or I could have just walked. Look at all those cars lined up inside the boat there. There's people already on the deck up above. That's pretty cool. Okay, welcome aboard. Check-in area. Okay, just got a ticket. Let's get on the boat. Super cool. Let's figure out where to go. I am in 5336, and this is the 5th floor here. So we're here at the entrance hall. 5-3. Looks like it's towards the front. So we're gonna have to walk towards the front, so that way. That's not it. That's not it. No, that's not it either. That's not it either. I'll figure it out. This way. Long hallway. Alright, this can get a little confusing. So I guess I am over here in this area here. Yeah, this area here. So walk down here and somehow get over here. Let's look for that. All right, here's my room for the night. Just basic bed with toilet and shower. And looks like this is a bunk bed too. Let's see. Yeah, this is totally a bunk bed. So I can accommodate 2 people. Well, that's actually really heavy. And then this, I guess there's a ladder. You can connect the ladder. This is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. Yeah, this is a little bit different. All right, how about we go explore the ship? We're about to get ready to sail, so let's go explore. We definitely have a lot of long hallways to go down. Now this boat is a lot bigger than the other boat I took from Tallinn to Stockholm a couple months ago. Wow, there's like no one here. Oh, check that out. We're moving fast. Boat is huge. Looks like there's a handful of restaurants on deck 8. There's also a couple. Oh, there's a coffee bar on deck 7. And a buffet on deck 7 too. Then there's a bar, deck 11. A couple more bars, wine bars, nightclub, champagne bar. Wow, this is a lot of stuff. A casino, auditorium. Wow, this goes on and on and on. Convenience, conference center, sea shop. Let's go explore. Yep, that's what we're here for. Let's go upstairs. Honestly, I'm forgetting that I'm on a boat. It's so easy to do. Oh wow. Yeah, am I really on a boat? Wow, this is crazy. Is that PS4? Looks like we got the sea shop here. It's not open. Look at all those coats they got for sale in there. Yeah, you probably need these in this region of the world. And this little coffee shop here, this is pretty much what they have for sale here. What is this? M&M brownies? This is like a bagel with a bagel with everything, basically. Board games? This is pretty cool. Something for the kids. Look at that little island out. And wow, look at all those windmills. Let's keep cruising. This place is massive. Okay, there's like a swimming pool. That's on level 6. Let's go down and look at that. This is level 7. Let's go back down. Off to the pool now. It definitely smells like a swimming pool around here. That chlorine smell, you know? And yep, there's like a pool over there and a hot tub. That's pretty cool. There's some games to play here. There's like games all over this place, I've noticed. Looks like you can also get a massage here too. You can just do everything on this boat. Literally everything. Look how fast we're moving. We are cruising. It feels like I'm just at a hotel right now. It doesn't feel like I'm on a boat traveling. Back on level 7, we found a casino here. It's not open. Let's go up to level... Let's go check out level 8. Let's keep going up. Level 8, there's 11 levels here. Let's go up to 8. Map of the world there. Here's our famous captain. Looks like we got a boat here. Another boat. I don't think this is a replica of the boat that we're on, because this doesn't look like the same boat that we're on at all. What's this whole thing? A smokestack? I don't think boats have them like that anymore. This looks like our travel map here. Oh, this looks more like the boat that we're on. This one here. Yeah, this is, it looks more like, yeah, maybe that's it. Off here we have a steakhouse off to the right, and then we have this, looks like a conference going on over here. Check out the menu for this steakhouse. I don't think there's any vegan options here for me, but yeah, just checking it out. It's so beautiful just watching the water like cruise by like that. It's definitely something I don't see every day. And we have what, a club, nightclub? We definitely got a nightclub here. It's a little early for a nightclub, so let's on deck 10 now. What is this, pool deck? Let's go check it out. Here's the pool deck here. Let's go check this area. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is definitely a pool. I imagine that's the pool over there, and these are like hot tubs. Is this warm? Oh yeah, that's super warm. Look at this view. I wasn't expecting this when I when I walked outside. What a stunning view. This is super cool. Look at this, yo. Like, where am I right now? This is amazing. Like, this is dope. It's actually kind of warm out. I don't know about putting a swimsuit on, but it's not chilly. Like, it feels really good. I guess because the sun's out. Look at that view. All right, let's keep this adventure going. Let's go up. Oh, it's got more hangout areas and a better view. I'm digging this. Check out that hot tub down there and just chilling, yo. Living the life. Now the last thing I'm expecting to see is a classroom. Is that like a classroom on a boat? Huh. Maybe they have classes on the boat. So let's keep walking around. It's a little bit later now. I took a nap, and this is the action that's going on. Dinner time. This is an Italian night. We got onions and mushrooms and tomato sauce. Let's make this dish up here. So check this out. This is my pizza to go. Instead of putting it in one of those little boxes, they just put it in this thing. I guess it's on a boat, right? Yes. Can I get some elevator action in this vlog? Yes. On an elevator on a boat. How weird is that? Yeah, how weird is that? Look at all these things to do. Bubble zone deck. Okay guys, I'm back. It's so late right now. I don't want to say what time it is.